Are you having any of these issues? Harsh downshift, harsh upshift, engine hesitation with bad MPG? Does your transmission experience erratic shift points? If you have any of these problems without any check engine lights or codes, then you will want to try this easy to do yourself mass airflow sensor cleaning. And lucky for you, Rodney is gonna show you how to get this done. Okay, so before we get started, my name is Otto. And instead of tacky pop-ups when something was left out of the video, Rodney has asked me to help him so that you might better understand what is going on. So let's get started. So first thing is to slide back the red locking clip. Then you will push down on the black tab in the center and pull back on the connector at the same time. That is a Torx 20.
Okay, so when you're cleaning a mass airflow sensor, only use mass airflow sensor cleaner. Do not use anything else because it can leave a residue on the sensor, and you do not want that because then it'll collect dust. So let's get this cleaned up.
When going back with the sensor, Rodney suggests you use a screwdriver-style Torx, so that you don't over-tighten and cause damage to the sensor. Okay, so that was easy enough. And it will help your computer get the right information to keep your engine and transmission working proper. So one last thing that I want to point out, is that this would be a good time to swap out that old air filter. Thanks for watching. This is Code Man Otto.